Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best gifts are probably one of the most exciting things to find for the special 8-year-old girl in your life, and with so many options available, it can be a challenge to choose the perfect present that will bring a huge smile to her face and create lasting memories, whether it's for a birthday, holiday, or just because. Finding a gift that aligns with her interests and personality is key to making her feel cherished and understood. Number 5. Original Stationery Ice Cream Slime Kit. Get ready for hours of imaginative fun with this exciting slime-making kit. It's designed to spark creativity and let kids design their own unique creations. This 31-piece kit provides everything you need to make amazing slime. You can customize textures, scents, and decorations for a truly personal touch. It's not just a slime toy, it's an interactive arts and crafts experience. Enjoy stretchy, squishy textures and vibrant colors for sensory-rich play. This kit encourages creativity and decision-making as kids mix and design. It's a fantastic way to learn through hands-on activities. Looking for a unique gift? This set is perfect for birthdays and special occasions. It even comes with a storage container for endless fun. What we like? This DIY ice cream slime kit offers a unique sensory experience with its cherry scent and fun mix-ins. If you're looking for a creative activity that encourages hands-on learning and imaginative play, this is a fantastic choice for your 8-year-old. It's perfect for kids who love arts and crafts and enjoy making their own unique creations. What people say. The product is a great gift for 8-year-old girls. It's a fun and engaging toy that keeps them entertained for hours. The design is colorful and attractive, and the quality is excellent. Number 4. Whoobli Kids Boxing Bag with Stand. Get ready for an exciting boxing experience. This fun and colorful punching bag is built tough to withstand every punch, bounce back, and keep the fun going. It even comes with cool boxing gloves for kids. Help your child burn off energy in a healthy way. This freestanding punching bag is designed like professional equipment, making sports fun and engaging for them. They'll be eager to put on their gloves and play every day. Searching for the perfect gift? This boxing set is ideal for birthdays and holidays for kids of all ages. It's sure to be the most popular toy, providing endless entertainment for everyone, even grandma. This standing punching bag comes with everything you need, including a free pump and gloves. It's easy to set up with adjustable height and a stable base, making it perfect for training and play. We're confident you'll love this boxing set. If you encounter any issues, we're here to help. Try this inflatable punching bag set today with confidence, risk-free. What like? This inflatable punching bag provides hours of healthy, active fun for energetic kids. If your child needs an outlet for their energy or you're looking for a way to encourage sports, this is an excellent option. Its adjustable height makes it suitable for a range of ages, and it's designed to withstand enthusiastic play. What people say. The product is well-made and durable, perfect for active play. The design is engaging and encourages creativity, with multiple ways to play. It includes several interactive features that keep children entertained for hours. Number 3. Just My Style Color Your Own Water Bottle Kit. Get ready to design your very own unique water bottle. This kit provides everything you need to make a personalized accessory that's truly yours. It comes with 5 ultra-bright markers and 20 sparkling adhesive gems. You can color the pre-printed designs and add dazzling details to make it shine. This 16.9 fluid ounces bottle is BPA-free, making it safe for all your hydration needs. Just remember to hand wash it to keep your creations looking their best. Each kit allows you to create a one-of-a-kind water bottle. While the bottle designs may vary, your personal touch will make it special. Looking for a fun and engaging gift? This is an excellent choice for any creative child, perfect for birthdays or just because. Inside, you'll find the aluminum bottle, a carabiner clip, 5 permanent markers, and 20 adhesive gems. All set for you to start crafting. Take pride in your finished craft. This personalized accessory is perfect for showing off your style wherever you go. What we like? This water bottle decorating kit allows for ultimate personalization and creative expression. If your child loves to make things their own and enjoys arts and crafts, this is a perfect gift. It's ideal for kids who want a unique accessory they can use every day, making hydration fun and stylish. What people say. The product is very durable and has held up well to frequent use. The design is engaging and keeps children entertained for hours. It offers a variety of activities that promote creativity and learning. Number 2. Diamond Magnetic Building Blocks Princess Castle. Let your child's creativity and imagination soar. This magnetic tile set is perfect for building a magical princess castle. They can play, build, and pretend with princes and princesses. Crafted from safe, durable ABS plastic, these tiles are built to last. They come with doors, windows, and stairs, allowing your child to construct their very own winter castle and kingdom. This set is compatible with other magnetic tile kits, making it a versatile addition to your child's collection. It's perfect for play at home, on road trips, or at the park. Encourage STEAM learning and develop essential skills like fine motor control, spatial awareness, and problem solving. These tiles make learning fun through building, designing, and storytelling. Looking for the ideal birthday or Christmas gift? This set is a fantastic choice for children who love princess castles and magnetic building blocks. It's great for preschool, kindergarten, and family playtime. What we like. This magnetic building block set sparks imagination with its princess castle theme and encourages valuable STEM skills. If you're looking for an educational toy that promotes creativity, problem solving, and spatial awareness, this is a great pick. It's perfect for children who love building and enjoy imaginative play with a touch of fantasy. What people say. The product is well made and durable, perfect for active play. It has a unique design that stands out from other toys. The features are engaging and keep children entertained for hours. Number 1. Gitus Initial Letter Belt Bag Fanny Pack. Make your fanny pack uniquely yours with our stylish initial letter patches. It's a popular and fashionable way to personalize your accessories. This bag measures 7.8 by 2.4 by 5 inches and weighs only 0.15 kilograms. It's made from skin-friendly, water-resistant nylon, making it easy to care for. Enjoy long-lasting use with its strong and smooth zipper that won't stick, even after repeated use. Keep your essentials neatly organized with 2 zipped pockets and 3 mesh compartments. It easily holds your phone, wallet, keys, and more. With an adjustable strap and durable buckle, wear it as a crossbody, belt bag, or chest bag. It's perfect for any activity like cycling, travel, or hiking. These fashionable waist bags make a perfect trendy gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion for teen girls, daughters, or friends. What we like. This fanny pack offers a trendy and personalized way for girls to carry their essentials. If your daughter or a young friend loves fashion accessories and wants something practical yet stylish, this is an ideal gift. It's perfect for everyday use, travel, or outdoor activities, allowing them to keep their belongings organized and close at hand. What people say. The product is well made and durable, perfect for active play. It features a unique design that sparks creativity and imagination. The interactive elements keep children engaged for hours. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.